From N5 to JLPT N4. This is lesson number 26. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, shika nai, which means only, nothing but. Shika nai means only, nothing but. There is no more than this. It is used when the amount is small, the choices are limited, the speaker feels it is not enough. Key rule: shika must always be used with a negative form. So for example, shika arimasu. This doesn't work. It has to be like this. Shika arimasen. Shika nai. Shika nai is casual. Shika arimasen. This is polite. If there is no negative, the sentence is wrong. Grammar format is this: noun plus shika and lastly the negative form. I will show you two examples. I only have 100 yen. お金が100円しかありません。Noun plus shika and lastly the negative form ありません。ありません is polite.Casually, you can say 100円しかない. Both are correct. Next one. I only talked with him for 10 minutes. 彼と10分しか話しませんでした。Noun plus shika and lastly the negative form 話しませんでした。The last part must be in the negative form always. This is the difference between dake and shikanai. Many of you might know this expression dake, which also means only. But there is a difference between those two. So now let's focus on dake. Dake also means only, just.But it sounds neutral and simple fact. There is no feeling behind it, just stating the fact. So for example, リンゴは1個だけ食べました。This means I only ate one apple. There is no feeling. You are just stating the fact that you ate one apple. That's it.But if you use shika nai, now there is a nuance. There is a feeling of not enough, disappointed. For example, リンゴは1個しか食べませんでした。This also means I only ate one apple. But there is a nuance that I wanted more. One apple was not enough.There is this nuance this time. So this is the difference between dake and shikanai. Now I like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. Today there is only one class. 今日は授業が一つしかない。Noun, shika, then lastly the negative form. ない is casual. Politely you can say 一つしかありません。Next one. In January, I only had 3 days off. 1月は3日間しか休まなかった。Noun, shika, then lastly the negative form. 休まなかった is casual. Politely you can say 休みませんでした。Last one. There is only 1 week left until the exam. 試験まで1週間しかありません。Noun, shika, plus negative form. This is polite.Casually, you can say 1週間しかない。 Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 今日は授業が一つしかない。1月は3日間しか休まなかった。試験まで1週間しかありません。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and correct your homework. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。